Good
Now I
evening,
want to explain
everyone.
how to dye
Let me explain how
a
to
sinami, okay, using
dye a
hot
tsunami.
water and a dye, a dylium dye. Now you put your pinch of salt. We need that salt so that it will make the sinami to last, the dye on the sinami to last longer. Okay, then well, the next thing is to put your dylium dye, which I'm using yellow color. Now I want this tsunami to, you know, to be in what's it called, sorry, to I want to change the color to yellow. Now I will be explaining some things in this video because I don't want the dye to be much, although I will have to put the whole dye. Okay, even though I have to add a little bit of dye, I will still, I may not get the actual color that I want. So what I did in this video is to add the whole dye. Then after I'm done with dyeing of the tsunami using the dye, we have to make use of a cold water, you know, a cold water to reduce the color to the actual yellow color that I want. Okay, I don't want it to be too dark. Neither do I want it to be too, fair, or too light rather, please. So what I will have to do is to use, after dyeing, then I will now use my cold water to reduce the dye. Now watch this video and see how I'm going to create or change the color of this window pane tsunami. Okay, what I'm trying to do here is to stir. I've added the salt, the pinch of salt, some salt. Then I add my dye, the one dye blender in a bowl of hot water, please. I'm using hot water, okay. Using hot water makes it will help the dye to sink very well into the tsunami, okay. Now I'm going to put my tsunami into the mixture. I'm putting on gloves so to avoid stain on my hands. So I'll dip into the bowl very well. Please kindly use a bigger bowl when you're doing yours so that so that you're able to add the whole cinnamon will be able to enter very well. Now please see what I'm doing there. Okay, I'm trying to put the whole cinnamon inside the bowl. Then while I turn to check. Now if you always I will advise, please, before I forget, please stir your mixture very well, please, so that you don't end up seeing some stones or black color on the cinnamon. Okay, if when you start seeing black color, I'm going to show you in this video, a black color stone or some stains on the cinnamon, that is obviously not a yellow color. It means that you didn't stir from the beginning, you didn't stir the mixture very well, please. Now you can see the yellow color is very dark. It's very dark. I don't want this, it's too dark. The dark is giving me a kind of dark yellow, which I don't want. So I will have to reduce the color, which I explained from the beginning of this video. I will use cold water, cold clean water. Now get your clean bowl of water, dip your dyed cinnamon to it, okay, and make sure you monitor it, okay. You bring it out, put it in, and you check till you get continue doing this until you get your desired color. Please don't leave the dyed cinnamon in the water for a long time. Okay. Monitor, check, and when you're done,